Time I say 95 percentage improve for my growth in evening routine, not a properly morning routine. Only for morning, but you cannot try for yourself talk. Why? Because you are not justified in yourself. Justify for society, for you, and you. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjara and I start a new journey of the English speaking, learning of the all our dimensions clear of the communication skill is better to better improvement in this personality challenge of YouTube daily base upload a vlog, right? I will not decided how to make a perfect day one, but day by day challenge accept and daily learning from this platform, right? And I decided day two. Day two is the topic with in a chat GPT, create a morning routine. The first one, morning routine are not a properly follow for myself. Why? Because I'm as a content creator at the time, I'm as a teacher, as a student life to enjoy and my personal growth. So decided to how to maximum time spent of my self learning. So in this as a late of night I'm a work from this my reading of books and this novel and different types of work of my self growth. But at the time I'm a wake up 6 not a properly wake up, but at the time 9 a.m. I wake up. So that's why I start my journey and this is my new day, a new revolution day. So I'm a decided how to day by day perfection in your life. Only for one option in this YouTube platform. So lots of effort in your myself and after I am a complete my meditation. As a 3 minute meditation and the 6 minute I am self talk is daily my basic routine. But you cannot try for yourself talk. Why? Because you are not justified in yourself. Justify for society, for you, and you are not properly I. Very interesting story. I'm a completed my as a morning routine, as a self talk, Hanuman Chalisa, and different way as a spiritual life to this kind of more than 30-minute time to spend in myself, right? And after I am as something as a fresh and after completed my breakfast, not a properly a breakfast or only for I'm a not properly habit from the breakfast morning. So that's why and afternoon I had to completed my task and the tuition classes and after I went in a 6 o'clock it is my life revolution journey start of the physical fitness. The first priority in the 6 to 7 kilometer daily run maybe, and after completing my stretching body and the warm up and at the time all of type of exercise for completed and 3 kilometer cycling. Why? Because I am a perfectly to improve my as a physical fitness to as a physical fitness to define your which type of mindset and how can you are to change. This is my morning routine are very interesting, but my evening routine is similarly as a 95 percentage chance of improve myself in evening routine, right? Because the most of the person are is a morning routine are good in the all over day are is good, but I'm not a believe for this similarly because I'm a different. Okay, I'm not a decided from the society we you can do it, but I can do it. So that's why. Okay, so and I will complete my as a evening routine and the time I'm as a fresh and this something is a my play with my nephew and the different only activity for my best friend. Okay, so complete my dedicate personality related of writing a diary. Why? Because you are right every day. You are open your thoughts and you are new revolution a day by day learning phase. At that time I say 95 percentage improve for my growth in evening routine, not a properly morning routine. Only for morning routine I have to as a spiritual life, as a 30 minute, as to spend of myself, as a manifestation and improve my as a personality and magnify and the magnificence of different types of dimensions. But at the time I decided only for evening routine I believe it because I'm a different. Thank you so much, dear. You watch my as a second day vlog, but I am decided to as a 30 day to be as the grow of easily. Okay, thank you so much, dear.